Many of us have experienced brain fog at one time or another. This nagging inability to focus or process information can be a stumbling block to your flow. What you may not realize is brain fog can be a response to blood sugar levels that are not properly managed. Brain fog happens when brain cells or neurons don't communicate well with each other. This causes brain functions to diminish, giving you the symptoms of brain fog. Blood sugar that swings too low or too high can cause brain fog. Symptoms of low blood sugar include irritability or lightheadedness between meals, difficulty concentrating, or a dependence on coffee or sugar for energy periodically throughout the day. Conversely, symptoms of high blood sugar can present similarly and include difficulty concentrating, irritability, hunger, and dependence on sugar or caffeine. Creating stable blood sugar levels is as easy as imagining a pie chart. Picture it now. Ready to fill in your circle? Color half of your circle green. This represents the fiber in your meal or snack. Fiber's job is to slow down digestion, which in turn creates a more stable blood sugar response. Next, we'll color about 1/4 of your circle yellow. This is your protein and fat. These macronutrients take longer to break down while providing a more stable blood sugar response. Finally, the last quarter of your pie chart will be white. These are the starchy carbohydrates in your meal or snack. Starch reliably raises blood sugar levels and are best consumed alongside fiber, fat, and protein to create a gentle rise and fall of your blood sugar levels. Setting yourself up for a successful flow means preparing your mind and body. Have you had a blood sugar balanced meal today? If you did, then you're ready to flow. Let's go.